Hi everyone, this is Michael Bondi with Urban S Realty Summerlin with your June 2022 Kestrel Summerlin update. First up, more road improvements have been made to the area. Traffic lights are being installed at two major intersections. The first intersection is at Kestrel Creek and Desert Foothills, and the second intersection is at Lake Mead and Desert Foothills. Desert Foothills will connect from Red Point Square to Kestrel Summerlin and Kestrel Commons Summerlin. Work is still underway for these connections, and it's still a while to go once these connections are going to be completed. Work continues on Woodside Homes' two newest communities, Viero, which is still an unknown project at this time, and Falcon Crest, which is now selling their one-story community. Pricing starts around $790,000, and with lot premiums and options, you can count on these homes being above $850,000 or more. Square footage starts around 1,950 and goes all the way up to 2,218 square feet. There are several models to choose from in this collection. Pulte Homes, three-story gated community project Blacktail, is still a few months away from their models opening in August, September of this year. These homes have rooftop decks with amazing views of the Las Vegas Valley. Square footage starts around 2,338 square feet and goes all the way up to 2,572 square feet. Count on a one-year build-out with Pulte Homes. Pricing will not be released until 1 week prior to their grand opening. Pricing should reflect other communities in Kestrel that are currently selling. Taylor Morrison, Crested Canyon, is now selling. Pricing starts around $533,000 for their entry-level 1,649 square foot home. Pricing goes up to $635,000 for 2,242 square feet. These prices do not include lot premiums or additional options. Several models include two-story and three-story options. Some homes will have views of the Las Vegas Valley. Richmond American's Offspring Ridge and KB Homes Nighthawk are still at the ground clearing stage of development, with no additional information at this time. If you are considering buying from a new home builder, keep in mind that under Nevada law, they represent themselves, not you. If the builder is paying me a commission to represent you, I am free of charge to you. Most of my buyers are building brand new homes instead of getting into stupid bidding wars and overpaying for a home. Let my 18 years of full-time real estate experience help you with a brand new build home. Call me today at 702-768-2552 or visit www.summerlin.realestate for more information. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. More videos are coming soon.